array in this question. Read the question clearly and understand the logic of the code, and we need to code properly. I given an array. Your task is to find a minimum and maximum element in an array. Your question, we need to read a question and understand. Given an array, they are given an one array. Your task is to find a minimum and maximum element in an array. They given an array, we need to find minimum and maximum value. That is a question. Note: return a pair of contains two element. First one will be a minimum element. Second one will be a maximum element. We see in the example input they are given an array 321656 10,000 167. They are given an some element in an array. We need to check an element or minimum and maximum value. We need to take minimum and maximum. We need to take first element out 3. Minimum equal to 3 and maximum equal to 3. We need to traverse all the element and check whether the element are uh, lesser than 3 and greater than 3. When the lesser than the 3 value are stored in a minimum value, otherwise maximum value will be greater than 3 are stored in a maximum. 3 to 1 are stored in a minimum. 56 10,167 are stored in a maximum. This is the logic of the question. We need to traverse and check whether the element are minimum or maximum. This is a simple concept. We need to code now. Code and see the code and see. So we need to first step we need to create a declarant to variable as minimum and maximum. Minimum equal to array open bracket declare 0 semicolon, and next maximum int max equal array open bracket 0 semicolon. Next we need to check next values traversing. We use for loop for moving next. We need to use for loop for open bracket int I equal 0 semicolon I lesser than array dot length I plus to I plus is used to move next element open bracket, and we need to use if condition. If open bracket array open bracket I, we need to give a declare a variable for array I greater than max close bracket and open a new bracket max equal array declared array as I close bracket and semicolon close a bracket. Next condition we need to use if array open bracket I lesser than minimum value and open a bracket we need to give minimum equal array open bracket I we code and semicolon, and we need to return after closing to we need to close for loop. So we front and close and remove this. We need to return return new pair open bracket minimum comma max semicolon, use semicolon, and we need to, after typing, we need to compile and run the code. We need to compile and run the code and check the code is correct. This code is uh, completed and given an input and output. We need to submit. All the test cases are passed and completed successfully. How we need to code and give an output of the question. Thank you guys.